Word wrap functionality can significantly improve readability and efficiency when working with SQL queries and scripts. This guide provides clear instructions on how to enable and customize word wrap settings in SQL Server Management Studio. You can see this as the long dummy queries, and it has long string in the query, and to view this whole script you have to scroll to the left as shown here. But do not worry, word wrap will fix your problem. For this, go to the Tools menu and select Options. In the Options window, navigate to the Text Editor node. Click on All Languages. Then on the right pane under Settings, just check in Word Wrap. Then click on OK button. Once Word Wrap is enabled, long lines of text in the SQL editor will automatically wrap to fit within the visible area, making it easier to read and work with SQL queries and scripts. You can easily unwrap it again by unchecking the same Word Wrap option as shown here. In this way you can wrap and unwrap queries in ssms. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.